Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so casting will work smoothly. Power on the My TV, update its system if prompted, and connect it to your home Wi-Fi. Then take your phone or tablet, install Google Home, and grant location and local network access so the app can find devices. Once done, make sure both devices remain on the same router band. Now open Google Home and you're ready to discover the My TV. Don't skip permissions because discovery relies on them. Next, you discover and link the My TV in Google Home. Open the app and tap the plus icon to set up a device. Choose Set Up Device and works with Google when required. The app will scan the local network and show your My TV. Select it and follow on-screen pairing. You'll see a code on the TV. Confirm the same code on your phone to pair securely. Make sure to accept any account linking or permissions prompts so casting permissions are granted. Finally, start casting and verify functionality. Open a compatible app like YouTube, tap the cast icon, and pick your My TV. Alternatively, mirror your phone screen through Google Home's device card. If casting fails, reboot the TV, phone, and router, then try again. This clears most network glitches. If problems persist, make sure router guest isolation is off, check firewall settings blocking multicast, and update firmware or app version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.